Oh my God, this is epic. Really, really epic. Stick around, guys. It's gonna be good. Well guys, welcome to Seacliff Beach. I have been here before, but I always find it's good to revisit these locations, especially trying to improve your skills and compositions on these places. I love this place so much. I really do need to revisit these locations more often. It's only about 40-minute drive for me, this location, so yeah, I've got no excuse really. So this morning, well, just waiting for that sun to appear in the horizon there. I've been slowing that shutter speed down to 8 seconds this morning. I don't want it too silky. I'm not really into that fine art photography. I like a bit of drama in my pictures. So as you can tell, I am always watching that coast behind me. Just gonna grab this image here because that tide there coming in, that wake, the wave is actually surrounding that rock formation, which is lovely. So I've made my way from where I was shooting this morning, looking towards the sunrise there, but nothing really, the colours didn't really come out the way I was hoping for. Now I've turned around and making my way to Tantallon Castle. Now I'm going to try and get as close as I possibly can. It is high tide now, and the tide will slowly go back out. Now I might just spend a few hours here, just concentrating on a bit of foreground interest, looking onto Tantallon as well. My first composition here. I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to jump down. I'm going to turn the camera around for you, and I'll show you exactly what it is. Now, in front of me here, I have got some lovely stepping stones, and the greens coming through on them are absolutely amazing. So this is my foreground, and I've got this lovely snaking waterway here, just leading you onto the castle. This is definitely a portrait mode picture, so you can cut out all of this cliff here and all of this side on the right hand side of the image, and it frames it up beautiful, just guiding you in to the Tantallon in the background. Absolutely brilliant. So yes, that was my first composition just there. I'm now going to pack up and just make my way round. Just watch out, because if you are down this way, these rocks can be very, very slippery. And I'll see how far we can get, spend a few hours here, and I'll talk you through my next composition when I'm at it. So, bye for now. So right in front of me, I've took my 6-stop ND filter off. Right in front of me here, I've got a little like cauldron pool, and it's not the main cauldron, which is a bit further up. This is like another sort of cauldron where the water comes in and it creates this like vacuum of pool of water in a way, sucking it back in. There we go, just in front of me here. Brilliant bit of foreground looking onto Tantallon Castle. My settings for this is Literally, I am at f16, 1/8 of a second, ISO 100, and I'm at bang on roughly about 18 millimeters for this shot. Absolutely brilliant. It's going to turn this around for you guys so you can watch this happen right in front of me. There's little tiny cascades coming down, coming in, drawing your eye in, and then this lovely pool right in front of me. So it's going out, then another wave comes in and gushes it in. And 1/8 of a second works out really well for that shot. There we go, it's coming out and coming back in. Lovely. Absolutely amazing captures there. Well, I think they were anyway. Let me know in the comments. 6 up on for that one, and 0.6 gradding for the sky. Is it looking a bit flat? Castle in the background, Tantallon there. Just nice and low, capturing a dramatic scene, slowing that motion of the water down with the rock formations and the castle in the background. Here is that shot. Well, that was the image I just captured just there. I'm now going to push on, try and capture different compositions for my foreground, but still incorporate the castle in the background. I'm also going to be pushing the boundaries out and try and capture a nice panoramic as well, with Bass Rock as well, and see how we go with that. But I'll talk you through what I'm exactly doing with my panoramic when I do it. So I'm going to push down, the tide is going out, and just make my way around the coastline very, very slowly. Got all day here, just going to take my time, enjoy it, and that's what landscape photography is all about. Enjoying it, taking your time, and having a nice time while you're doing it as well. Speak to you in a minute. So I've just been shooting here, just down nice and low. You can see my camera there. Lovely little rock pools here. I had my 10 stop on for that. That gave me a 2-minute exposure, and it's a really nice scene. Just drawing your eye into the water, then beyond and onto the castle. Like I said, 2-minute exposure, f16, and it really turned out really well. I'm now going to push up as far as I can now to the main cauldron and see if I can capture a nice panoramic with the castle and Bass Rock in the distance as well. So I'll see you there. Bye for now. Now it's just a matter of patience, waiting for the tide to go out. I am just loving the way this rock in front of me is just getting surrounded by the water. It makes a nice foreground subject for Bass Rock in the distance there. Beautiful, so sweet. Just surrounding this rock in front of me. The Cauldron is basically just right in front of me. Tide is still going out, but guess what? Sun has just come out now, and making that Bass Rock glow up nicely. Okay, I have got the Cauldron right in front of me now. I'll bring you in a bit closer in a minute, and all I'm doing is just leveled my tripod off really carefully, making sure I'm nowhere near the edge. Of course, the water is coming into the cauldron, and all I'm doing is starting from my right side, panning round, around about 6-shot panoramic this is going to be. I'm waiting for the waves to come over, grab that shot, then I'll pan it round a good 20% overlap, wait for that waves to come back over again, take the shot, another 20% overlap, take that shot again when the waves are coming over, 6 times over, 6-shot panoramic. It's going to be beautiful, so sweet. Oh, well, I hope so anyway. But simple as that. I'm going to bring you in a bit closer now so you can see the cauldron and what I'm photographing. It's absolutely freezing cold here on the coast. Got to wait for those water levels to drop a touch as well. And making sure I've got Tantallon Castle in the background, of course. Simple as that. Very easy. I'll bring you in a bit closer now. So there you go, the cauldron just down here. I'm going to wait for the water levels to drop a touch. Do some single shots here with bass rock in the background as well. As you can see, water levels are a bit high for this at the minute. I'm just going to wait for it to settle down, get the water crashing over the top. Nice circular cauldron just in there. You'll see it as the tide goes a bit further out, but beautiful Tantallon there in the background. Look at the colours coming through the sky, absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. The watercolours are just perfect as well. These images are turning out really sweet. I just had a look at one in the back of my camera there, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Sun setting now, the colours in the sky are absolutely amazing. Now, when you're doing this location, please make sure the tide is going out. You do not want the tide coming in on this location when you're doing the cauldron. The cascades of the tides crashing against the water here, making this image really nice. I haven't really been doing panoramics, I've been concentrating on just single shooting here, making sure right hand side of the frame down here, getting those streaky waters coming over, same with the left hand side, and then obviously the cauldron just in the middle. Now I'm going to swing you around so you can actually see this place, talk you through my image. Just look at the scene here, look at the colours coming through the sky, the crashing waves coming over the sides here and trickling off in the edge and coming over the top there, making this a really sweet image. Now I don't know whether or not to do a panoramic here, but then again, look at that. That is some scene. Well, I'm so glad that I stuck around here to show you the cauldron. The sun going down just behind Tantallon there, the colours coming through there were sweet, really nice. Epic shots there with dramatic skies, beautiful colours. The cauldron right in front of me here. Guys, enjoy the images. Let me know which one you think is the best one. And do hit that like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you all in Madeira. Bye for now.